Today I'm going to show you how to fix slow loading in Mozilla Thunderbird. If you've been experiencing sluggish performance or delays when opening emails, this simple troubleshooting method can often resolve the issue by temporarily disabling add-ons that might be causing the slowdown. First, open your Thunderbird application on your computer. Make sure the program is fully loaded before proceeding to the next step. Once you're in, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the menu icon. This icon typically looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other, sometimes referred to as a hamburger menu. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, locate and click on Help. This section contains tools and resources designed to assist you with any issues you might be encountering with Thunderbird. The Help menu is your gateway to diagnosing and fixing problems without needing to dive into complex settings. Next, within the Help menu, you'll see an option labeled Troubleshoot Mode. Click on this option. Troubleshoot Mode is a diagnostic feature that allows Thunderbird to run in a simplified state. What this does is temporarily disable all your installed add-ons and extensions, which are often the culprits behind slow performance. By running in this mode, you can determine whether an add-on is causing the issue without permanently removing anything from your setup. After clicking Troubleshoot Mode, a confirmation dialog will appear on your screen. This dialog will ask if you want to restart Thunderbird in Troubleshoot Mode. Go ahead and click Restart. The application will now close and reopen automatically. Give it a moment to complete this process. When Thunderbird restarts, all your add-ons will be disabled, and the program should run with improved speed and responsiveness. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Troubleshoot Mode in Mozilla Thunderbird, which should resolve any slow loading issues caused by problematic add-ons. If you notice that Thunderbird runs smoothly in this mode, you'll know that one of your extensions was causing the problem. From there, you can re-enable your add-ons one by one to identify the specific culprit. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.